goodness! Look at all these colorful things in here. What is this?
It's a dinosaur.
This is so cool.
I'm so excited to play.
I am too.
Shall we unbox together?
Let's unbox. Let's get to work.
Yes. Ooh, wow.
Look inside here. Oh, we've got a starfish.
Wow. We got bags of sand.
We got green, we got
White.
we got orange, and we got pink.
We got another pink. Oh, and blue.
And purple.
Wow.
Look at what else is in there.
Toys.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. This is going to be so fun.
Yes.
My favorite is definitely the starfish.
I want to live in a castle too.
Would you like a donut?
Yes.
Ooh, some seashells?
A baby castle.
And a unicorn.
It can play with this dinosaur.
Wow.
Oh, and another baby dinosaur.
And a cupcake.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This is going to be so fun. What is this?
Wow.
Under the sea. Da 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 da. Let's open some slimy sands.
We have green here. Look at this texture. Wow.
That's so cool, Zoe.
Wow. Look at that. And then we have dark pink. Wow. Look how pretty that texture is. Wow.
That's so cool. I like this stuff.
This feels so fun on my hands.
I wonder how they make it slimy.
And look, my hands are all clean. Wow, and this is yellow.
You can play with this for forever. If it gets a little hard to use, just add a bit of water.
Yes. And we got some blue. Wow.
I think the blue one is my favorite.
It is quite pretty. Wow. And we got some pink here. Wow. It looks like cotton candy, but it's not edible, so you can't really eat it. Wow, and this is white. It kind of looks like snow. We have a starfish.
We have a unicorn.
Wow.
And let's see how this dino turns. Ooh!
That is amazing, Chloe. Good job.
Thank you, Zoe.
Shall we roll this
Yes.
into the sand?
Let's see what happens. These are small donuts.
Let's see what happens. guys. We have a cupcake.
Is that for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
After I take a bite first. Hee hee.
I'll give you a little cherry on top.
Wow.
That looks delicious.
But you can't eat it though. It's just sand.
No eating it.
Phew.
I had so much fun.
Me too. Let's show everyone what we've made here today. And once upon a time, there was this beautiful castle on an island surrounded by water. And in the ocean, there was lots of little fish that would play all day long. They would play with the starfish and the seashells. And it was surrounded by beautiful rainbows in the sky.
Look, there's even some stars.
And on this island, we had some dinosaurs. Here's Mama Dinosaur and Baby Dinosaur. And they would play with their friends. The Mama Unicorn and Baby Unicorn. And after they were done playing, they would share food. And they would eat donuts, cupcakes,
and ice cream.
Yay!
That was such a lovely story, Zoe.
Thank you.
I had a lot of fun. Did you?
We hope you did. We'll see you next time. Bye! Hi kids! If you want to follow us on some fun,
Big,
exciting adventures,
make sure to subscribe down below.
yay!